Making money online in 2024 is easier than ever. And trust me, you don't have to sell your soul or your grandma's antique lamp to do it. Whether you're looking for a way to supplement your income, pay off debts, or just treat yourself to that extra large pizza every Friday, I've got you covered with side hustles that can earn you $1,000 or more from the comfort of your home. Let's dive into some of the best online side hustles for 2024. Freelancing. If you've got a skill, writing, graphic design, video editing, or even voiceovers, you're sitting on a goldmine. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal let you turn your talents into cash. The best part? You can work in your pajamas and nobody will know. Worried you're not an expert? Relax. Clients aren't looking for Michelangelo every time. Sometimes they just need someone who can use Microsoft Word without crashing their computer. Start small, build your portfolio. Online tutoring. Teaching isn't just for professors in tweed jackets. If you're good at a subject, math, science, English, or even playing an instrument, you can make bank tutoring online. Platforms like VIP Kid, Chegg Tutors, and TutorMe connect you with students worldwide. And the great thing is, you don't even need to leave your house. Just don't teach math with a calculator app open in another tab. It's kind of a dead giveaway. Dropshipping. The golden child of online side hustles. Dropshipping is where you sell products without actually handling inventory. You find a supplier, list their products on your store, think Shopify, and when someone buys, the supplier ships it. You pocket the difference. Content creation. If you're not camera shy and have a knack for storytelling, starting a YouTube channel, TikTok, or Instagram account can be insanely profitable. It's all about picking a niche. Fitness, cooking, gaming, or even reviewing. Toothbrushes? Yes, there's a market for everything. Selling digital products. Why not create something once and sell it over and over again? Digital products like ebooks, templates, printables, or even online courses are perfect for passive income. You make the product, upload it to a site like Gumroad or Etsy, and let the sales roll in. Pro tip: if you decide to sell a course, make sure you actually know the subject. Teaching how to get rich quick when you're Googling rent assistance isn't the best look. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the internet equivalent of you scratch my back, I'll scratch yours. You promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share a Sale are great starting points. Here's the trick. Be honest about what you promote. Nobody wants to buy a blender you called life-changing, only to find out it can't even crush ice. Build trust with your audience, and the commissions will keep rolling in. Remote customer support. Companies are always looking for customer service reps, and many offer fully remote roles. If you've got a calm demeanor and the patience of a saint, this could be perfect for you. Plus, you get to work from home, so you can answer calls in your bunny slippers. Just keep your mic muted when the dog starts barking. Print on demand. If you've got a creative streak, print-on-demand platforms like Printful or Redbubble let you design t-shirts, mugs, and tote bags that get printed when someone orders. No inventory, no hassle. Just make sure your designs are, well, good. Virtual assistants. If you're organized and love making to-do lists, becoming a virtual assistant could be your dream job. Tasks can range from scheduling appointments to managing social media. And hey, the more chaotic someone's life, the more they'll pay you to fix it. Testing websites and apps. Companies need real people to test their websites and apps, and they're willing to pay for your opinion. Essentially, you're being paid to criticize, which is honestly a dream gig for some of us. And there you have it, some of the best online side hustles for 2024 that can help you earn $1,000 or more from the comfort of your home. Whether you're freelancing, dropshipping, or selling digital products, the opportunities are endless. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with consistency and effort, you'll be well on your way to boosting your income. Which of these side hustles will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you've got any side hustle success stories or hilarious fails, I'd love to hear those too. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on tips to make your wallet happy. Until next time, keep hustling, keep growing, and remember, if opportunity doesn't knock, build an online store and send it a custom t-shirt.